UPSC Civil Services examination is considered to be one of the toughest competitive examinations in the whole world. Every year, more than 10 lakh aspirants will sit in this exam, but only around 1,000 of them find their name in the final merit list. What makes UPSC exam so difficult to crack, and how can you crack it in the very first attempt? In this session, I'm going to explain you the strategy to get a single-digit rank in Civil Service exam in the very first attempt. I'm Professor S. Balian. I'm the founder, director of Insight IAS Academy Delhi and Balians.com. I have been associated with civil services preparation for the last 18 years, and I have seen thousands of candidates preparing for civil services under me. On the basis of my experience for civil services preparation, I have found that a serious candidate has to devote something around 4,500 hours of his or her life to prepare for civil services and get a single-digit rank in first attempt. Now, these 4,500 hours of your time you need to find from the duration of around 15 months. Every serious candidate starts preparing for civil services at least 1 year before prelims exam, and between prelims and the main exam we always have at least 3 months. So these 15 months you need to devote to civil services preparation. Every day you have to devote 8 to 10 hours to study. You have to have your daily schedule in 2 or 3 parts. You need to follow 2 subjects simultaneously. In civil service examination, you have to focus on 6 main subjects. What are these subjects? History, geography, environment, polity and constitution, science and technology, and Indian economy. These are the 6 subjects which are the core subject for prelims as well as the main exam. Most of the questions in prelim exam come from these subjects, and main exam also majority of questions are from these subjects. In main examination you have some more subjects like ethics, integrity and aptitude, international relations, disaster management, and you have internal security topics also. But those are not that difficult. These 6 subjects are difficult. These are very lengthy and you have to read a lot. So if you have 15 months to prepare for civil services, first 3 months you have to devote to build your foundations. You need to read NCERT books for these subjects from class 6 to class 12th. If you are a serious reader, if you have a decent speed of reading, you can finish NCERT books in 3 months. The next 6 months you need to devote to get advanced level of learning. To have advanced level of learning, you need to pick up 1 or 2 books for each and every subject. For example, of history, you can read Bipin Chandra Freedom Struggle, you can read B.L. Grover. For geography, you need to read G.C. Leong and Dr. Diakuller's book. For environment ecology, you have an iOS notes which are available free of cost online. You can download and read them. They are very good source. For polity, Lakshmikant book is a very good book. Almost every aspirant reads it. You can supplement it with PM Bakshi Bear Act or DD Bashu. For topics like science and technology, Indian economy, you need to rely on current developments. Most of the questions nowadays are related to current developments. In civil services preparation, we do not use the term current affairs. Here the term is current developments. Current developments are those developments which are important for a common citizen like you and me. So whatever is important in your life, whatever is going to affect the life of your fellow citizens, those applied dimensions of current developments, you have to keep learning day by day. You need to read 1 or 2 good newspapers, you need to follow 1 or 2 good magazines, you have to go through Rajya Sabha TV debates repeatedly and continuously, because those are the most important source of getting command over current developments. So let me have a brief recap once again. First 3 months you need to devote to your basic foundations. Basic foundations will give you 40% of the command over civil services syllabus. Next 6 months you need to devote to advanced level of learning. Thereafter you will come close to prelims exam. 3 months you have to devote exclusively to prelims. Practice as many MCQs as possible. Go through last year questions to understand what kind of question UPSC is looking forward to. And then once you reach prelims, thereafter you have to focus 3 months on writing practice to build your ethics, to build your international relations, those topics which are only important for main examination. Now, these topics you should not be picking up before PT. You should pick them only after prelims exam. So if you follow this strategy of 15 months, you will find that your civil services examination is not difficult than your 10th or 12th exam. Hype is more here. The stuff is less. So it's not that difficult. You can crack it. You have to be consistent. You have to be persistent. You have to be honest. You have to be sincere. So these attributes of quality, your personality that make a good officer, you have to have in your preparation. I know all of you are sincere, all of you are hardworking, and if you follow this plan, I'm very confident that you can get a single-digit rank in the very first attempt. So all the best, follow this plan, and may God bless you.